Oh, the tip of that sword just came off. Look at this. The tip of the sword is on the ground.
It's already a bruise. Oh, frick.
Maybe?
Right here.
Oh.
You've only got a minute down. And you were panting for half that minute. Oh! Oh! Wait, let me see, where did that hit?
That was a solid smack.
Oh, look at that mark! Look at that mark!
Oh my gosh.
She's got a vengeance, everybody.